Imagine this. It's 6 a.m. Snow is piled knee-deep outside. Your driveway looks like Antarctica, and your car's basically buried alive. Normally, this means grabbing a shovel and pretending you're in a Rocky training montage. But this winter, you don't lift a finger, because this futuristic beast, the Yarbo Snow Blower, does it all for you. No pushing, no freezing, no slipping on ice like a cartoon character. Yep, meet the world's first fully autonomous modular snow clearing robot. It's basically a Tesla on treads that eats snow for breakfast. Today, we're talking about one of the coolest winter gadgets to ever hit the market, the Yarbo Snow Blower, part of Yarbo's insane lineup of intelligent yard robots. If you thought robot vacuums were impressive, wait till you see this monster plow through snow while you sip hot chocolate inside. So, what is the Yarbo Snow Blower? Well, it's part of Yarbo's modular robotic platform, which means it's not just one gadget. It's a multifunction robot base with swappable attachments. The snowblower is one of the modules, but you can also attach a lawnmower, leaf blower, or even a security camera module. It's like owning a transformer for your backyard. The snowblowing unit specifically comes with two stages: an auger that collects snow, and an impeller that hurls it across your driveway like a snow cannon. The throw distance? Up to 40 feet, depending on the snow density. No cords, no gas, no drama. Just all electric, smart snow clearing magic. Now the real question. How does this robot actually work? Well, Yarbo Snow Blower navigates autonomously using RTK GPS, LiDAR, and multiple cameras. This combo gives you centimeter-level precision, way more accurate than your average drone. Before the first snowfall, you set up a virtual boundary using the Yarbo app. You can literally draw the map of your driveway or sidewalk, and the robot remembers every inch of it. Once it starts snowing, Yarbo wakes up on its own, assesses the snow depth, and rolls out like a soldier on a mission. It even adjusts its blowing direction and power based on how thick the snow is. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, it automatically avoids obstacles, pets, and people. So no, it's not going to launch your neighbor's cat into a snowbank. Next up, let's talk design, because this thing looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's got this sleek black chassis, tank-like tracks, and LED headlights that make it look like it's ready to take on Hoth from Star Wars. The body is built from durable, weather-resistant materials that handle negative 20 degrees Celsius temperatures like a champ. And since it runs on high-capacity lithium batteries, it's whisper quiet and eco-friendly. No fumes, no noise pollution, and definitely no gas refills at 6 a.m. Each charge gives you about 90 minutes to 3 hours of operation depending on snow density, enough for most driveways. And when it's done, it just drives itself back to the charging dock like a boss. Now let's geek out for a second, because this is where Yarbo flexes its tech muscles. Through the Yarbo app, you can schedule snow removal, adjust paths, control the blower direction, or even check live camera footage. Yep, it has a built-in camera that lets you watch it in real time. It also supports voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, so you can literally say, "Hey Google, tell Yarbo to clear the driveway," and watch the magic happen. And get this, Yarbo learns from your environment. Using AI-based algorithms, it optimizes routes over time, remembers snow patterns, and even detects tricky spots that need extra passes. Think of it as a snowblower that gets smarter every winter. Of course, autonomy means safety has to be top-notch. The Yarbo Snowblower comes packed with sensors to detect obstacles, humans, and even black ice. Its traction control system keeps it from slipping, and if it senses danger, it immediately stops and alerts you through the app. Performance-wise, it can handle snow up to 12 inches deep without breaking a sweat. The adjustable throwing chute can rotate up to 180 degrees, letting you choose exactly where to dump the snow: driveway, lawn, or straight into your annoying neighbor's yard. But none of these are something that really make it stand out. So then what is it? Well, here's what truly makes Yarbo special: the the modular system. You're not just buying a snowblower, you're buying the Yarbo core unit, which is compatible with multiple attachments. In winter, use the snowblower module, Yarbo S1. In summer, swap to the lawnmower module, Yarbo M1. In fall, use the leaf blower module, Yarbo B1. It's like owning one robot that works all year round, an all-season yard superhero. So instead of having 3 separate machines, Yarbo is like a one-stop plug-and-play solution for all your outdoor chores. But hold on. In fact, you guys tell me, how much do you think this one would cost? Now, here's the part where your wallet might cry a little. The Yarbo Snow Blower doesn't come cheap. The full setup, base unit plus snow module starts around $5,000 to $7,000 depending on configuration and add-ons. Yeah, it's definitely an investment, but think about it. You're buying back hours of your life every winter. No frostbite, no manual labor, no chiropractor visits. And if you already own the Yarbo base, you just need to buy the new module, which is much cheaper. So you guys get it, right? Well, here's a pros and cons list to help you understand the product even better. Modular, works year-round with other attachments. Quiet, eco-friendly and zero emissions. Smart mapping and obstacle detection. App and voice control, and the best of the lot, well, it looks like a robot from the future. The cons include expensive upfront cost, limited availability, currently in North America and parts of Europe, needs a strong GPS signal for best performance, and it can struggle with extreme wet or heavy snow. Yeah. So is the Yarbo Snowblower really the future of snow removal? Absolutely. It's smart, stylish, and ridiculously convenient. Sure, it costs a chunk of change, but it's one of those gadgets that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. Imagine stepping outside after a blizzard, and your driveway is perfectly clear. No shovel, no sweat, just clean pavement. That's the promise of Yarbo, turning winter from a nightmare into just another season to enjoy. If this is where home robotics is heading, count me in. So what do you guys think? Would you trust a robot to handle your snow? Or do you still enjoy the character building workout of manual shoveling?
It's Yarbo's biggest sale of the year. Early birds can save up to $1,200. And you might even get a free lawnmower with the snow blower. Shop before it's gone. Click the links in the description.
Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic tech deep dives. Until next time.